get into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you have a car which supports only wired Android Auto and Apple Carplay, every time you get in, you have to connect the USB cable with a smartphone and use it, which is quite annoying. And even the wires get messed up. As a solution to this, a brand called Ottocast has sent us one of the product, Ottocast Adaptor Mini, which converts wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to wireless in a second. First, we'll have a quick look on the product. This is the box. The same device can be used for CarPlay and Android Auto. It offers faster and stable connection, and it's available in 3 colors. Inside the box, we get a user manual with clear instructions. Along with the Ottocast Mini, we get 2 additional USB converters. This is the actual adapter, which looks similar to a pen drive. It comes with premium matte finish, has an LED indicator and a reset button. Additionally, we get USB to Type-C converter and USB extender. Now, let's see how to use this practically. First, connect this adapter to the car USB port. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your smartphone and go to Bluetooth settings. This device appears with a name starting with car2, so I'll pair with this and click on pair. It is successfully connected and we can see the pop-up. So I can start this Android Auto option and everything functions normally. There are many advantages of using this device. As soon as I get into the car, the device automatically gets connected with my smartphone and I can start directly using the Android Auto. The second, the controls feel faster and more responsive compared to the USB mode. And last, the car looks more clean without any messy wires lying. So this is all about the Ottocast Mini and its practical usage. If you also have the same situation with your car, you should definitely consider this product. I'll leave the product link in the description box. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.